My dear students, welcome back in the practice paper 9 based on the revision mixed up questions for physics. Before this video, I have already uploaded 8 videos based on the revision mixed up questions. This is the 9th one. And the first question of this practice paper is calculate the momentum of an object of mass 4.08 into 10 to the power 8 kg moving with 2.02 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter per second. In this question you have to calculate the momentum of the object whose mass is given and velocity is given. The mass is also given in standard form, that is scientific form, as well as the velocity is also in scientific form. So the result for momentum should also be calculated in scientific form. Second one, write the importance of gravitation. There are several importances regarding gravitations. You have to write some of them. Question number 3, a truck of mass 4000 kg and a car of mass 1000 kg moving on a straight road in opposite directions with 126 km per hour and 36 km per hour respectively. When they collide, the car got stuck into the truck and then they start moving as a single body. Calculate the combined velocity of truck and the car after collision. So dear students, in this question it is saying that there are two objects, one car and a truck. The mass of car is given 1000 kg and that of truck is given 4000 kg. They are moving on a straight road but in opposite direction. Suppose the car is moving along north direction, then the truck will move on south directions. So in this question the two objects are moving in opposite directions. It means if the initial velocity of car is positive, then that of truck should be taken negative. That is the main concept of this question. Now when they collide, after collision the car got stuck into the truck. It gets stuck into the truck and then start moving as a single body. You have to calculate the combined velocity of the truck as well as car. The truck as well as car will move with the single velocity, that is the common velocity that you have to calculate. So dear students, in these questions the topic law of conservation of momentum plays a very important role. So regarding that concept you have to solve it. The fourth one is a man covers 200 meter walking towards east and then takes a turn and covers 100 meter along north. Calculate the ratio of distance and displacement. See here in this question, a man covers 200 meter distance when he moves towards east. Then he takes a turn at 90 degree and covers 100 meter along north. You have to calculate the distance and displacement, then you can easily find out the ratio. The fifth one is find the distance covered in 40 seconds. By observing this velocity time graph, or you can say it as speed time graph, you have to calculate the distance covered in 40 seconds. Just see here, this x-axis denotes for time, which is in seconds, and y-axis for velocity or speed, which is in meter per second. This is O, A, B, C, D and E. In first 20 seconds the object covers O to A, then to B and finally to C. Then from 20 seconds to 40 seconds it covers C to D and D to E and then it stops. You have to calculate the total distance covered in 40 seconds. So you are in a better position to have the concept that in the area under VT graph denotes the distance or displacements. So you have to calculate the area of this VT graph, then you can easily find out the value for distance. Thank you.